In this example, we are going to simplify the algebraic expression. We have 6 multiplied by the quantity of 2/3 x minus 1/3. So what I need to do here is I need to distribute the 6 into the parentheses, and it will get multiplied by the 2/3 x and also by the 1/3. So I'm going to distribute my 6. Now, when I do the distribution, I want to think of the number 6 as 6 over 1. And the reason why I want to do that is because it's going to get multiplied by the fraction 2/3 and again by the fraction 1/3. So sometimes if we write our whole numbers as fractions, so 6 becomes 6 over 1, it reminds us that we have to multiply one fraction by another. And then we don't get confused as to what to do with that 6. So 6 over 1 is going to get multiplied by 2/3 x. Then I have the minus sign, and then 6 over 1 is also going to get multiplied by 1/3. Now, I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. The first way, I'm just going to multiply the fractions straight across, meaning I'm going to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So 6 times 2 gives me 12, 1 times 3 gives me 3. So I have 12 over 3x minus, now in the second multiplication of fractions, the numerator is 6 because of 6 times 1, and the denominator is 1 times 3, which is 3. Now I just have to simplify these fractions. 12 over 3 becomes 4, so I get 4x, and 6 minus 3 is 2, so I get 4x minus 2. Now, I could have also divided out common factors way up at the beginning, so I'm going to also show you that step. So where I had 6 over 1 times 2/3, I noticed that the 6 and 3 each share a common factor of 3. So I could have divided out the common factor of 3, so 6 over 3 becomes 2 over 1. And then the same thing where I have the 6 over 1 times the 1/3. 6 and 3 share a common factor of 3, so I can divide out the factor of 3. Now I can multiply my numerators and my denominators. So let's see what our result is. So when I multiply the numerators 2 times 2, I get 4x. And since the denominators are just 1, that's like 4 over 1, or just 4x, minus, in the second multiplication of fractions, I multiply the numerators. It's just 2 times 1 over 1, so that's just 2. So you can see either way, I get the same result, 4x minus 2.